Before I start this video, I want to say that I am sorry for not uploading any videos from a couple of days. I am doing this video as I don't wanted you people to wait for such a long time to get another video. I am sorry because the quality of the video may not be that good because the editing is done by mobile and so my voice will not be clear that. Hello everyone. You may have Hello everyone. You may have heard the ringtone saying the name of friends or anyone. Today I will show you how to make such ringtone on your Android device. So for the wasting our time, let's begin. If you go on Play Store and search ringtone of my name, you will see many search lists and write ringtone of my channel. There are many apps with this name, but all all are fake. Only one is the best app that works. If you use such apps, you will not get that quality of ringtone. So the app that I'm going to tell you is the app that is mainly used for such work. The name of the app is FDMR. Search it. This app is developed by the Cool Guruji. Basically, this app is a website and linked with the website. So first of all, install it, accept it. It is not a big app, so first open it now. You can choose two things: make a ringtone or search ringtones. You have to make a ringtone of your name, so you have to click on make ringtone. Write any name. I am writing Mark. Choose the message that you want to listen. Someone is calling you. There are some Hindi message also. I am choosing your phone is ringing. You can put any background music in the given things. I am using iPhone 6. After that, the app will make your ringtone. You can download it or play it on link. Select your downloading browser and click on just once, or if you want always. Now download the clip. After downloading the clip, you must go to the file manager and the default location where your browser saves the file that is downloaded from the internet. File manager, download, and this is the mark your phone is ringtone. Now play it. This is how it works.
Mark, your phone is ringing.